stop here. I know we have, crossed our time. I'm sorry. So quick questions, if there are any, let us actually have them, please. Okay, so very soon we will announce a one-day program, one day, wherein half a day will be focused on AI. The other half a day will be focused on Industry 4.0, a little more insights, a little more practical things. Okay, this here, the whole idea was to demystify AI because so many things, so many people talking jargons, etc. We thought, let us demystify in simple terms, explain what it is and how Nextech is there to help you. Guys, this is your own association, KASSIA associations, okay? Please make use of this opportunity because the market is going to explode. Okay, just come in, guys. And it is not going to be expensive. It is not going to become, cost you, a lot of time, effort and stuff like that. Engage with us, use this opportunity, reach out to us. Okay, we will announce this one-day program. If you want to get more details, you can actually come in here, okay? So if there are no more questions, then I know it has been a long talk. I've been doing a monologue. Yeah, can we visit a micro and small unit who has adopted to see? Yeah, see, okay, this is a good, this thing. See, in my previous avatar, I have been doing this for the last 35 years, okay? Now we will try to do that. Okay, see, right now we have 2 customers already. I was telling you about this, reading design, right? So your machine design, reading those particular things and converting it into simple language, etc. This is for a MSME customer who has already signed up for this program. Then the other one I was talking about, this thing, right? This fire hydrant, etc. Okay, wherein we are implementing, it's an industry 4.0 example. They want certain chips and certain things embedded, certain sensors to be embedded so that it can do much more, give out more volume, connect to the internet. They want an app-based solution and some of those particular things, okay? So definitely, yes, we are doing this. In the textile processing, by the way, I don't know whether I was part of an organization which was very much into textiles. I don't know whether you have heard about this company called as SGS, Society Generale de Surveillance, the inspection and testing organization. Almost all buyers in the world, they actually, any exports, SGS certification is kind of a major player. So I used to work for SGS. So textile definitely has got a lot of, because you are so people-oriented business, right? And that is the problem, basically. Again, getting talent, too many people, right? And wherever there is talent or people-oriented, this kind of solutions are definitely available. Yes, if you ask me from my experience, I used to do a lot of QA, improvement of processes in textile mills. Okay, we have a very strong lab. We do a lot of lab and hence do a lot of process consulting we have done. I have done this in my past, basically. Okay, definitely it is applicable. Yes, we can actually talk about this. Yeah. Textile is a classic case because you're so manually oriented. Definitely. Okay. And please reach out, guys. I'm telling you. Of course, in a public forum, we can only talk so much. We don't mind coming to you. We are in KASSIA's office itself. If you want to come in, just call us, and then if you come in, or you want us to come there, we will come. Okay. The whole idea is we want the industry to take it up. My challenge is that. So, see, I've worked all over the world, Japan, US, Germany, etc. Okay, but I still feel, guys, nothing like us. And this is a godsend for us today. Godsend for us because this can push us. Guys, I'll just give you this. You know about smart watches. Okay, you're talking about smart glasses now. Then this kind of earphones. All of these are done by small micro industry, 8 to 10 people organization in China. World class products. They have been able to adopt technology. In our case, what is sadly happening? We want to do such kind of things. Micro industries are not able to do this. It is still the medium size companies who are doing this. So China, 97% of the SMEs have adopted technologies. So 8 to 10 employee companies are able to do world-class products. It's a question of time. We have to organize ourselves, guys. World is sitting out. India is signing free trade agreements left, right, and center. Today, if somebody gets into a mall in, let us say, Dubai, 50% of the products in the mall is made in India. Now, who is doing that? It's all the big companies. Why are we not tapping this opportunity? United Kingdom is opening up. They signed a FTA with us, guys. Norway, all of those, they signed an FTA with us. Australia, everybody is coming to sign a deal. That means opportunity growth and small industries wherein our capital is less, blah, blah, blah. We should be able to get this opportunity. It's a question of organizing, and we are there, guys. Nextech is there to help you do this transformation. We will hold hands. We are not going to go away. Continuity is a big problem. Everybody says we start off, but a lot of projects get abandoned because either the supplier walks away or something like that happens. In this case, no, we are there. All you have to do is reach out, guys. We can build, we can make this massive change, right? So I would say, please reach out. Even our Siddharth will reach out to you. Either give us an appointment, either you come to our office or give us an appointment and you ask us to come over. We will come over. Okay. Let us work on this. Any idea, guys, and we will tell you even positioning, marketing. We'll do a lot of market intelligence for you. How to position this, where, and post product will also help you do that. So it's a complete kind of a activity. So please join us. Use this. This is your facility. Okay. So that's all I'm asking. So I think, sorry, I took more time than what was estimated. Okay. So anything else? I think, I hope I answered everybody. We need to know if any MSME has implemented for end to end. Mr. Srinivasan, thank you. You're back. In this session also. See, even large companies, maybe like automobile companies, will be able to use this end to end. Otherwise, even large companies need not adopt all those technologies. Please let me give you this. Now, for example, now we are talking about textiles, right? See, now one of the biggest thing, the textile industry is so well organized. Okay, every year there are so many seminars, there are so many trade fairs that happens all over the world where big buyers are coming in, etc. Now, when these companies actually go there, okay, they come back and say, okay, the basic way to do business here is a sample. Can you give us a sample and then we will work with you? Now you agree on that, there is a requirement. You come back. 70% does not even send a sample because it is highly disruptive to actually make that sample here. The organizations are only good enough to produce and sell, but they don't have that engineering skill. Just imagine all you need is a small studio. Isolate this, bring in a 3D printer. Isolate this, don't go into a regular production. All you need is to create an organization within an organization. Suddenly you see your ability to make samples at low cost and your probability of scaling. Please remember, guys, any contract today is giving you today's revenue. Your innovation will give you tomorrow's revenue. If you don't work for tomorrow, it is not magic. So this innovation is a very important part. Yes, again, depending on your model, depending on your goals, etc. That's first thing we also will ask is, what is your vision, boss? What are you trying to achieve? From there we start. Because we want this not just a product for the sake of product, guys. We want you to succeed in the market. Launching a product is one thing. To make it successful is something else. So we are not here to just come back and keep producing products. We want you to be successful there. So whatever that is required, the thinking, the strategy, the way we organize you, of course, you will have to take the lead, but we are there. We work with you very closely to convert this into something tangible. So anyway, the question, sir, Mr. Srinivasan, is for a small company to adopt all of these are impossible. See, for example, that fire hydrant I was talking about, cloud computing is one technology that will come in. There will be a mobile app that will actually happen. There will be an IoT play for them. These are the three things that will be applicable for them for a industry 4.0 implementation. It's not necessary that we have to get all of that. It again depends on circumstance. For the textile mill, all you need is a studio. You need to insulate yourself from your regular production that is actually happening, because you stop something. I worked with many textile companies. The biggest fight between the marketing guys who have gone there and say, boss, I want to submit this sample. The biggest enemy for them is the production guys. They say, this we can't do because we have agreed on customers. Customers are pushing. We can't delay their this thing, blah, 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 etc. There is a constant fight there. You cannot win that battle because somebody is fighting for today's revenue. Somebody else is fighting for tomorrow's revenue. You have to balance between the two. Both have to coexist. It can't be one at the cost of other. So such kind of contradictions, we actually help you isolate this. Come out with a design studio, and you don't need tremendous amount of people. Technologies are actually available. Create a sample as quickly as possible. Send it out. Now, there are a lot of things. See, in fact, as I was telling you, I have more than 350 companies project experience. Each one was with a minimal savings of around $1 million. Okay? So if you really look at it, all these projects put together was a minimum $350 million of business savings that actually happen. So all these experience, we can have to do it. We have to be realistic. We'll have to come back. We have to be intelligent, read the market, okay, and do something. And we know resources are constraints. Money, for example, is not easily available. Talent is not easily available. With all these constraints, what is it that we can do very smartly is what we are talking about. And all this expertise is there in Nextech now. Okay. So you don't have to worry, guys. We will, as you actually start seeing this, you will actually see this, because I have done this for a living. Okay. And I have not only done here. In fact, I can tell you, I did some kind of this thing even in Volkswagen in Germany, for example. Okay, so thank you, Muthukumar. I think what we will do is, please reach out, guys. It is your infrastructure. Use that opportunity and help yourself. Help us help you. That's the motto. Okay. Thank you very much. Huh? Bye.